Cleaning and correction of belt drive CMS rear wheel hub. Step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Remove the rear wheel from the bicycle and securely mount it on a wheel truing stand or suitable work stand. Step 2. Rotate the rear wheel manually and check for any abnormal tightness, resistance, or roughness in its rotation.
Step 3. Remove the axle washers and belt tension hooks from both sides of the rear wheel axle. Step 4. Install one lock nut on the disc rotor side of the axle, followed by a second lock nut. Tighten the two lock nuts together to facilitate the loosening of the B-pulley lock nut. Step 5. Remove the lock nut from the B-pulley side and reinstall it flush with the end of the axle to protect the axle threads during the removal process.
Step 6. Using a rubber or nylon mallet, gently strike the protected axle end to loosen the B-pulley from the axle.
Step 7. Remove the protective lock nut and carefully withdraw the B-pulley completely from the axle. Step 8. Reinstall the lock nut at the end of the axle and gently tap it with a mallet to remove the axle from the hub.
Step 9. Remove the freewheel bearing from the hub using a suitable drift and a steel or rubber mallet.
Step 10. Inspect the freewheel bearing for proper operation. Verify that the two outer bearing races rotate freely in both clockwise, CW, and counterclockwise, CCW, directions, while the inner freewheel mechanism rotates freely in one direction only and locks in the opposite direction. Replace the bearing if any abnormal resistance, roughness, or malfunction is observed. Step 11. Thoroughly clean all internal hub components using a suitable cleaning solvent and remove all dirt, grease residue, and contaminants. Step 12. Install the freewheel bearing into the hub using a rubber or nylon mallet, ensuring that it is fully seated without causing damage. Step 13. Check the operation of the B pulley with the installed freewheel bearing. Confirm that the pulley rotates freely in the counterclockwise CCW direction and locks in the clockwise CW direction to ensure proper freewheel operation. Step 14. Insert the axle into the hub using a rubber or nylon mallet. Slide the B pulley onto the axle and into the hub until it fits smoothly. Step 15. Support the B pulley on a suitably sized pipe or tube so that the pulley body is fully supported while the axle passes through the tube. Gently tap the axle from the disc rotor side using a mallet until the B pulley is fully seated inside the hub body. Step 16. Install 2 lock nuts on the disc rotor side of the axle. Hold the outer lock nut with a 17mm spanner while tightening the B pulley lock nut using another 17mm spanner until securely fastened. Step 17. Remove the temporary double lock nuts from the disc rotor side. Install a single lock nut on the B pulley side and gently tap it with a mallet to adjust the axle position until the B pulley rotates freely without binding or excessive axial play. Perform a final inspection to ensure the rear hub rotates smoothly, the freewheel mechanism functions correctly, and all components are properly assembled. The rear wheel is now ready for installation on the bicycle frame.